Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by controlling static. That's the main risk. Put on an ESD wrist strap and clip it to a verified ground so charges can't arc. Once done, make sure the operating system has ejected the USB drive or power is removed. That prevents file corruption and device damage. Keep movements minimal and breathe. Deliberate, steady actions reduce accidental tugs. Then position the device and plan a straight pull path so you won't catch cables or connectors during removal. You now perform the actual removal using controlled technique. Stabilize the host with one hand so it won't shift. Use your other hand to grip the USB connector body firmly. Avoid pulling the cable or flexing the PCB because that can stress solder joints. Pull straight out along the connector axis with steady, even force. Twisting or rocking increases mechanical wear and can damage pins. If resistance is oddly high, stop and recheck. Debris or a misaligned plug can be the culprit. You finish by protecting the device and verifying function. Immediately store the USB in an anti-static bag or protective case to prevent future ESD or mechanical harm. Inspect the plug and host port for bent pins, debris, or burn marks. Clean gently with compressed air if needed. If the drive isn't recognized on reconnection, make sure drivers and power are okay. Try another port, reboot the host, and test on a known good machine. If errors persist, suspect connector damage or board level fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.